All right, today is day 69 of my 100 days of doing just keto chow for all of my meals. The low carb Denver conference is over. My voice still has a bit of a gravelly effect to it because, well, we talked a lot and it was kind of loud and you had to yell a bit at some points, but we got back pretty early. And we cleaned up all the stuff because we had the giant pitchers full of keto chow. If you ever visit us at a show, come around the last hour or so of the show and bring an empty water bottle or something like that, and we'll fill it up with keto chow because we usually end up with 1 or 2 or 3 or 10 big giant 2-quart pitchers that have about a third full of keto chow. And we either dump it out or give it away. And we'd much rather give it away to people who want it. So we had a lot of people coming up to us, and we were like, hey, fire sale, we're giving it all away. Come here. And we'd pour it out. I found some big cups that we were using to fill up. It was pretty funny. Had a lot of the other vendors and the speakers who were coming up and getting big cupfuls of keto chow. So anyway, we got done with. We had to wash out the pitchers because you didn't want to leave them, and they won't fit in the dishwasher that we have here at the rental house. So we just had to wash them out. I'll put them running through the dishwasher when we get home. And then while we were doing that, Steve cooked a bunch of ribeyes that we'd bought on Friday night. And
mine was 1.5 pounds pre-cooked weight.
Are you serious? A pound and a half?
I may have eaten all of it.
You did eat all of it. You ate all of it before Miriam was even half done with hers.
And all the fat and everything.
Nice.
With extra butter.
Extra butter. Oh yeah, you put it was a lot of butter. Anyway, so that's what they had for dinner. I had chocolate toffee keto chow, which was actually pretty good. When you do the avocado oil with an immersion blender, when you don't do it in an immersion blender, you end up with a really dark color. It doesn't look at all like cream. Cream is kind of white-ish, kind of milky. Turns out when you do it with an immersion blender, it emulsifies it a lot better, and you have that same milky color. It still tastes the same, but it looks a lot like heavy cream. It's kind of interesting. Anyway, so don't worry, Carrie. They can't see you.
What?
On the camera.
I'm
doing a video.
Keto video.
Well, now they can see you. Hello! It's Carrie Brown. Anyway, so, Then we went to sleep. And I looked at my ring records, my Oura ring, and it said I got 8 hours and 42 minutes, which is glorious. Feeling a lot better today. It should be a lot better driving home. But it doesn't make up for Saturday night at all, but it's a start. So we'll be driving home today. I'll be having keto chow for 3 meals, which is fine. I think everybody else is drinking keto chow for lunch as well, so that'll be interesting. We won't have to stop except to go to the bathroom and get gas. And I'll be back to high production value videos tomorrow. That'll be nice. We did capture a bunch of really good videos while we were at the show. We did an interview with Megan Ramos about our electrolyte supplements, and with Nurse Cindy, also about the electrolyte supplements. It's fantastic. So I get to edit all those together. It'll be interesting. Anyway, I'll see you all in Utah. So long.